Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I built a log lift with an attached table for my log splitter. As you get older, the aches and pains start creeping in, and you feel it here and there. Personally, my lower back can really start acting up after lifting heavy logs for a while. That's why I decided to build this lift, so I can simply winch the logs up onto the table. The table itself is constructed from a sturdy steel frame. I'm experimenting a bit and making the tabletop out of pressure treated wood. To make the structure even more stable, I'm also welding on some angle iron. Don't look too closely at the welds, they might look pretty ugly, but they hold, and that's good enough for me. After welding, I'm going to paint the table with a nice, glossy black paint. It might not be a masterpiece, but the main thing is getting some rust protection. We'll see how well the paint holds up to the wear and tear. Now the steel construction is finished, and I'm just waiting to put the wood on top. Here in the video, I'm pointing at something. As for the winch mount, I've attached a small rod with a pipe that sits on top of it. The winch is mounted to the pipe so that it can rotate exactly where I need it. It's finally time to test the winch and the lift. Hopefully, it goes well, so we'll see what happens next. Overall, I'm very happy with it. It's not fast, but the alternative is not being able to split wood at all because of a bad back. So yeah, I hope you liked the video and maybe got some inspiration to try building your own.